Yo, yo, yo! Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Yeah, baby, my name is Owen Fox, living in Ireland. Wishing and hoping and I'm expecting you to be having the best day ever, every single day, just like me. Just kidding, always the best day ever. But that's my plan, and that's my goal, and I achieve it quite a lot of the time. It's an idea, it's a premise. So in this video, I want to share to you that when I learned and discovered more about myself and who I am, how I am, why I am the way I am, how I can change how I am, how I have certain characteristics and modalities about myself, certain archetype. When I learned about more about my needs and my wishes, I was then able to fulfill my needs and my wishes. Mental, emotional, social, learning, creativity, individual expression, both clothes, words, being of service, helping the community, connecting even with children who in general, or in my neighborhood with my children, just connecting with nature more, being more barefoot, more sunbathing, more sun gazing, connecting with the sun, connecting with the air, letting go of the blockages, the obstructions such as the shoes, the clothes, the closed mind. When I was able to when I learned so much about myself, these days I'm so much happier. I'm a new man. I'm a different person than I used to be even a year ago, even 6 months ago, even 3 months ago. It's just absolutely amazing. I love how life is. I love life so much. I love life so much. And I'm not always in blissful, happy, joyful state, but you know what? When I get the sun and I practice self-care and self-love, which self-love is easy for me basically, for the most part, but when I practice self-care, which is what I've just described, by knowing myself, knowing my needs and wishes and fulfilling them and creating a sense of balance in my life, because if I give too much, when I give too much, sorry, I'm just trying to think, where am I going exactly? Yeah, home. Cool. If I give too much, or I spend too much time doing something with different people, if I don't fulfill my need for variety, change, stimulus, learning, expression, intake, loads of stuff. Life for me, I've learned, is all about balance, and when I strike balance, I strike harmony. When I strike my needs and my wishes sufficiently, I'm fulfilled. I'm fulfilled by living from my heart, attuning and picking with deliberate choice a sequence of thoughts and mental activity that is of a higher nature than the ones I used to pick when I was younger, which is unconscious, automatic, negative, society programmed, brainwashed thoughts. I was a mess. I was depressed. I was pretty depressed, in all fairness. It's just feeling a little bit overall sad and lonely and insecure a little bit to a certain degree, and just unfulfilled. And yeah, I used to be a mess in the past, and I know that. So now I've spent 15 years healing myself and learning about these topics, and I've written books, and I have video courses coming, and I have new books coming, which I'm so excited about. So it'll be my unique individual expression, which I love to share. I celebrate everyone's unique individualness. And yeah, just connecting, healing, self-care, self-love. When I heal and care for my body with the raw foods, the fruits, the overall 95 to 99 to 100% raw foods, and plenty of the fruits, and if I make sure I have enough hydration or liquid or even just juicy fruits, a mixture and combination, make sure I'm hydrated. And when I connect with the sun, like I said earlier, definitely sleep. Sleep is a massive factor, and nature is an underestimated factor. When I get all these things, I can just feel so happy and joyful, especially when I'm doing all the other things like family time, friend time, alone time. That's what I'm talking about, the mixture or the balance. We need a mixture or balance of different things. We need to meet all of our needs: social, mental, emotional, quiet time, family time, every type of time. And life is just so happy and joyful, I don't know, life is such a good thing. I love life. Life is awesome. And I know I don't feel like this when I don't take care of myself. Then I'm more feck this, feck them. They're just acting like assholes. They're acting bad. So when I don't take care of my body, I'm more likely to project mentally. It's such a fascinating thing to observe in myself. So if I have too much cooked food, or if I don't get enough sleep, especially if I have too much cooked food, I'm crankier. Are more likely to just have negative thoughts, lower frequency, and give out or blame, project. It's their fault. Projection. It's not because I didn't take care of myself. Definitely not. It wasn't me. I'm innocent. I didn't do nothing to participate in this co-creation. It was just created by the other person in a bad way. So see if you can observe this in yourself, my friends. It's so funny. So we don't practice self-care or self-love, or we don't know ourselves enough. We neglect ourselves, and it's either deliberate or accidental. And then we go off on others and get cranky and depressive and negative, and we blame the other people, or we blame life. And really, we can be the creator and the co-creator, the empowered one, and celebrate life truly every single day. So I'm going to go now in a second because I don't make too long a video, but for me, just the last thing I'll say is appreciation and gratitude. If you can think and remember and list the good qualities about life, yourself and others as much as you can, especially people who you have hardships with or challenge with, list and think about their most positive traits, their best things about them. That will help them to show up to you in a nicer way, even by you simply thinking and feeling love and appreciation for them. But then obviously you can express it sometimes at the right moment, and then they might come back to you at the right moment when they're feeling good and more positive vibes too. So we have the power, my friends. We have the power to heal ourselves, heal our life, heal our relationships, and heal our physical body too, and even to clear up and heal our mind. So one last thing I'll say is detoxification and having your natural state of a super clean body is much more important than the whole premise that in the new age, the modern society has told you about. It's all about complexity and getting stuff, accumulating and nutrition, combination. It's all about like, it's so hard to get enough nutrients. You need to get this. You need to eat from everything and everywhere, every food category. All that is just complexity and erroneous. I love the word erroneous. Erogenous, erroneousness. It's really all about simplicity and negation. It's all about space, and less is more. We nearly all overeat extensively. We don't even know it. So if you can just simplify and reduce, eliminate, simplify and connect with nature, breathe more and get the natural free things from nature more, air, earth, water, fire, and your divine inner self and emotional well-being, you'll need less food. But you might want to still be mentally a bit addicted to food. Of course, it takes time. It's a process of years for me in my own life. But I find the more I look after my physical body, the more joyful I am. The more I meet all my needs and wishes, the more joyful I am. Blissful. Of course, that's just a word. It means different things to different people. But overall and generally in life, I'm not always blissful by any stretch of the imagination, but it's getting just overall higher. And that's what I'm happy with, that natural progression. So yeah, simplify and love, appreciate and gratitude, and get out there in nature and get the elements of the earth and the air and the water and the fire, the sun into your body. Get enough sleep, get enough hydration, water, juicy fruits, eat enough fruits, get onto the raw food, heal yourself, heal your relationships, heal your wealth, heal your presence, heal your attunement, where you can attune and heal your connection. Get connected, and you're going to love life, the best life ever, every single day, just like me. Almost. Have a nice day, my friends. Lots of love. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. Give it a share.